Hey, good morning, Idaho Hawks 4C and 4D. It's Mrs. Haasz here. Good morning. It is Wednesday. It is May the 6th. And it is what we call hump day, the camel's hump, because we've already gotten through Monday and Tuesday. Today's Wednesday, the middle day, and then we just have Thursday and Friday left. So I got a lot of assignments coming through yesterday. You still need to work on that Education Galaxy for me. Do remember that there is a Education Galaxy challenge going on, and I'll announce the winners on May 22nd. There's going to be 4 gift cards given out, 2 to 4C and 2 to 4D, to the person that has the most stars on your study plan. Okay, boys and girls? So let's go ahead and get started. So if yesterday was our Education Galaxy today, our work is in Go Math today. So our Go Math is pages 419 and 420. We need to have strategies. It's input, output. So guess what I have? Can you tell me? Do I hear it through the video? Yes. I have my input, output tables. It tells me the definition. It gives me 3 examples of how they are using them. It tells you sometimes they have a 2-part rule. And you can also look in the back of your math book, your vocabulary, and not your vocabulary, your actual math book, and look at your vocabulary to look up definitions if that helps you. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I've got, let's see if I say it in the right order today. I have my highlighter, and I have my pencil, and I do have a pen just in case you need to see it a little bit clearer. So I am going to do some sample problems, and then I'm going to let you finish the rest, and then we'll check back in tomorrow. Okay, boys and girls? Okay, boys and girls, so now we're going to start on number 1 on page 419 where it says find a rule. And we're going to start with number 1. So in number 1, I'm going to highlight. I like to highlight, as you know. Use the rule to complete the input-output table. I like to go ahead and put a square or a rectangle around what my vocabulary word is. And I just know that this means it's a table. They want to know where it goes in and where it goes out. Okay? Where it goes in and where it goes out. So right now, they're telling me that my rule is the unknown plus 3. The unknown plus 3. So I'm going to look at my example. So my rule is really plus 3, and what is the unknown? So n is the unknown number, and 3 is what I'm adding. Okay, so let's see if this works out. 1 plus 3 is 4. That's reasonable. I agree with that. So now look, let's apply the same rule. 2 plus 3 is 5. Is 2 plus 3 5? Yes, so I agree that that is correct. Okay, so now I'm going to take, they gave me the n, so n plus 3 is 6, and then 4 plus 3 is 7. So on this input-output, I come up with 5, 6, and 7. I hope you agree. I hope that it's fairly simple, that you understand it. Okay, boys and girls? Down here, I can do a word problem for you. Oops, is it this way or is it? It's this way. I think I'm getting better at this camera thing, hopefully. Let's see. Okay, on page 419, the word problem says, 1 gallon of water is equal to 8 pints of water. Find the rule that tells how many pints of water are in a gallon. Okay, so I'm going to need to find the rule. And it looks like to me they've already given me all my information. I am just going to have to either figure out what operation I'm going to use. So let's go back into the question. 1 gallon of water is equal to 8 pints of water. Find the rule that tells how many pints of water there are in gallons. All right, boys and girls. So there's several things I can do. I realize that I'm ending up with totals. So if I'm ending up with totals, does that mean I'm going to add and multiply, or does it mean I'm going to subtract or divide? Yes, you're right. If I have a total, I'm either going to subtract or I'm going to divide. So they've already given me my divisor. Yes. Okay. So now they want to know how many times can 1 go into 8. So how many times can 1 go into 8? Well, it can go in there what? 8 times. So we're going to say G times 8, right? Because 1, which is the G, times 8 equals 8. I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to see what I figure out for my rule if it equals to the way it goes here. So now I can see that G is 2 and my divisor is 16. Can 2 go into 16 8 times? I believe so. So I think I have found my rule. My rule is G times 8. So this is the G, and we're going to times it by the 8. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you have problems, please let me know. I am here to help you. And I hope this video worked out. Let's see how we're doing. Okay, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Haasz. She's back now, trying to edit and trying to make these videos as best as I can. So just remember, today is Wednesday, so it is your actual Go Math day, but it's also, you can catch up if you need to catch up. Remember, all work is not due until Friday. If you have any questions, give me a call or text me. I will actually be up at school tomorrow cleaning out my room, so that's where I'll be, but I'll still try to join the Zoom. Anyhow, I want y'all to have a wonderful day and enjoy doing input outputs. Have a great day. Bye, Miss Haasz.